Hello and welcome to Tradepronamics. This is a demo of the SMS to bring back customers and generate income. It'll SMS a customer when the next service date comes up. Okay, so it's basically say come back and service your car, and generally people come back. And they do get a text or an email. You can also send an email. So when you're doing an invoice, all you've got to do is put the next service date in here. You can just click on 12 months, 6 months. I pop the 12 months, I'll put 12 months from today, 6 months. Or you can bring up the calendar and just select the date. Okay, that's all you've got to do. So when you save the invoice, later on, when you do want to send the SMS, you go into marketing. I just want to show you this other feature. If you go into this tab here, if you type in a message in there, it will automatically send that message, that SMS, on that next service due date without any user intervention. It'll just automatically do it. Okay, but if you want to send bulk SMSs, you go into marketing and select send SMS screen. And here we've got it based on next service date. So you just say get all customers. I can get all customers that are due between a certain date. You put your message in here. So this is your message. You just say select all. Selects all the customers you can send out an SMS to. These are all the phone numbers. You can send one at a time by clicking the buttons here. If I click this button here, send SMS to selected customers, it'll send out an SMS to each one of these customers. And it says here this account is 6. Well, you might have a couple hundred customers there. Send them all out. We'll send that message out saying your car is ready for service. On the message, it'll have your company name, it'll have their rego number, and the message. Okay, so this, the email marketing works in the same sort of way. You can send out emails. SMSs cost about 5 or 6 cents per SMS, but email is free. Email's always been free, but the telcos charge about 5 or 6 cents for the SMS. Okay, thanks.